Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
Order this meeting of Fitchburg Public Safety and Human Services for October 28th, 2025, held here in the Jeannie Seelig Room. We have our full quorum, Alder Donald and Alder Logan and myself here tonight. We have no one for matters outside of the agenda. So that takes us to the consent agenda, which includes the approval of the October 4th and approval of routine licenses. Do we have a motion to approve the consent agenda?
So moved.
Moved by Logan. Any questions, corrections, additions about the minutes or the operator's licenses? Seeing none, we'll call the vote. All in favor of the consent agenda signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Consent agenda is approved. Give me 1 second. Let me turn that off. I'm sorry, guys.
I hope that's royalty-free music.
Looking for me all day. I got away from them. All right, sorry about that. Next, we have agenda item 4 alpha, consideration of secondhand article dealer license renewal application, Quick Save Games LLC, doing business as Quick Save Games LLC, 6291 McKee Road, Suite C, Fitchburg, Wisconsin. Do we have a motion to approve? So moved. Moved by Donald. They've been in service, this is a renewal, so I'm not aware of any problems or issues with this this vendor. So do either of you have any questions on it?
I can just offer a comment that
Please do.
Yeah, spread this meeting out here a little bit longer. Was able to pop in there myself here a couple weeks ago and chat with, I don't know if it was the owner, but somebody behind the counter there, and asked them how business was going since they've opened, and sounds like things are going well for them, so love to see a small business going strong here in Fitchburg.
Absolutely, thank you for that comment. What type of games are they? Were some vintage games, ones you recognized, or that probably none that I would recognize? They don't have anything that old.
There's some things of all different ages. There are a lot of like the PlayStation games and Nintendo and Xbox and all that kind of fun stuff.
Okay.
So it's all different ages, going back to my childhood too.
Okay, good. Well, I'm glad they're staying in business, and I will encourage people when they're looking for those things to consider them. All right. Any other questions? Then we'll call the vote. All in favor of 4 alpha, consideration secondhand article dealer license for Quick Save Games, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Motion carries. Next we have approval, or 5A, approval of resolution ordinances, resolution R-18425, amending 2025 TID closure fund for police special response team equipment. Do we have anyone from the police department planning to be here?
I think maybe they were planning on presenting, but they are in another meeting at the moment.
Okay. This is on council agenda, if I'm correct.
Yep.
Okay. All right. I guess we'll get the full story there. I've read through it. I don't have any issues with this. Do either of you? All right. Then why don't we move ahead with the resolution We have a motion to approve resolution R-184-25.
So moved.
Moved by Logan. Further discussion, we'll call the vote. All in favor of resolution R-184-25, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
That is passed. Our next meeting is November 11th, which is a couple weeks from now. And with that, I'll entertain a motion to adjourn. So moved by Donald. All in favor of adjournment, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
We are adjourned. 6:05.